Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go from a half double crochet row to a row of half double crochet in the third loop only stitch to create these knitted textured blocks. Okay, so now that you've finished your row of half double crochets, you're going to remove your stitch marker. Okay, and what's going to happen is you're going to yarn over like you're making a half double crochet stitch, but you're not going to work in the front and back loop of the crochet stitch. Instead, you're going to kind of turn your work, and we see this third loop back here. Okay, so into that loop, we're going to work a half double crochet. And now we're going to mark that first stitch of the new round, which is round 15 for me. The way that you can tell that you've done this right. So when you're working in that third loop only, you can see the front and back loop appearing in front of the stitch. So now just keep turning your work, guys, and work into that third loop. Okay, so it's gonna be a bit tricky to see for the first few stitches, but if you kind of angle your work, you can see it more easily. And with time, it's going to be like you don't even have to think about what stitch you're working into. So I want you guys to do this all the way around until you reach the stitch marker, and I'm going to show you how to start on your second row of half double crochet in the third loop only. Alright guys, so I'm back at the end of this round. This has been our first round of half double crochet in the third loop only. So at this point, guys, we are going to remove our stitch marker, and we are going to continue, we're going to make a half double crochet in the third loop only into that first stitch. We're going to mark it with a stitch marker, and we are going to continue working our half double crochet in that third loop only again this round. Just make sure that once you get to the end of the round and you see this stitch marker, you remove it to make your first stitch and then replace it, because you never want to lose your spot. Otherwise your stitch counts will just be off, and you don't want that.